어린이 뉴스입니다. 지금 대박 큰일이 일어났다고 합니다. 그건 무엇이냐면요, 7살 어린이가 만두를 만들었어요.
Hi, Chambi. What are you making?
Dumpling. It's a dumpling. Yummy.
Look at your face. You got some powder. So you are making dumplings, right?
Yes.
Did you taste it?
Yes. Yummy.
How does it taste?
Yummy.
Is it yummy? Wow.
근데 이거 어떤 모양으로 제가 만들었나요?
Oh, it must be a crab dumpling.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks cute and delicious.
Yes.
Okay, let's keep making.
방법을 알려줄게.
Okay, let me know how to make it.
그리고
You fold that part. Okay.
요렇게.
You roll it.
다른 쪽도 이렇게.
Oh, you roll the other side.
짜잔.
Wow, that looks great.
위에.
That must be a crab dumpling. Wow, I love it.
Ooh, good. Good.
How many dumplings are there? Can you count them?
너무 많아서 못
There
살겠는데.
are so many dumplings, right? So you
이거
can't actually
맞네.
count them. Your dumpling is ready. Come here, I eat it. You know what? This is a steamed dumpling. Have it. Have it. And then taste it.
Yes.
Okay.
Ha, ha.
Oh, is it too hot? Too hot?